Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and I will be reading a story called Dogs. I wonder what this book is about. Here are some dogs. Pug, Poodle, Bulldog, I love dogs. I love big dogs and small dogs. I love stroppy dogs and soppy dogs. I love dogs that bark and dogs that don't. I love dogs that play and dogs that won't. I love hairy dogs and bald dogs. Stripy dogs and spotty dogs. I love slow dogs and fast dogs. Scruffy and smart dogs. I love dogs that are good and dogs that are bad. But the dog that I love best, let's see. I wonder, which dog will it be? Is any dog that won't chase me. Hope you enjoyed the story.